Actually, we are going to make a short demo with a few turns. We would like to show you a few things. You know, this airplane has been designed to promote safety, efficiency, and comfort. And I want you to listen also to the noise, which is going to be very, very low, that this aircraft will perform when making it turn fast in the configuration 3, which is one of the approach configurations at about 2000.
Oh man, Joe stepped right in my picture.
Sorry.
Not you, to get a green shirt. He just flopped right in the parking spot. I'm trying not to get in your picture either.
May I ask you to
I think it's
welcome. From the UK and Captain Thierry from France. We also have on board Renaud Bigon as a test flight engineer, and Sylvie, a lady, and Jaime as flight test engineer. They are going to come back to the highest shipper I've ever seen in Airbus. I think the one you're going to see with me is a bit tighter. You should not forget that the A350, like all the Airbus fly-by-wire, turns about 67 degrees, giving roughly a 2.5 G flow.
Oh, that quiet?
So this airplane is equipped with Rolls-Royce Trent XWB engines, which have been specifically developed for the A350. Their thrust is right now 84,000 pounds. 84,000 pounds. And our airplane has the capability to take off at a max takeoff weight of 606,000 pounds and to land at a max landing weight of 456,000 pounds. Its span is 65 meters, which is 230 feet, and its length is 290 feet. This aircraft is of course not designed for this type of show. It has been designed for long-haul operation, typically targeting up to 8,000 nautical miles, and it is interesting to note that it has been designed to cruise at a typical Mach of decimal 85, which would be the fastest of the Airbus airplane, and up to an altitude of 43,000 feet, flight level 430. And as I told you, the comfort has been optimized on this aircraft, so actually the cabin altitude at flight level 430 will be only 6,000 feet, which we believe will make the life of passengers extremely comfortable during these very long haul operations. So right now our friends are coming back for a low speed path. They have selected for F3 and they are targeting to be at the minimum speed, which is protected. And you will see this is one of the great advantages of the Airbus fly-by-wire airplane. We don't have stick shaker, we don't have stick pusher. We have full protection coming from the fly-by-wire system, which allows to fly quite slow. As you can see right now, it's about probably 150 knots, slow path, maximum angle of attack. in Brazil. So we are very proud to increase now our rate of production up to 10 airplanes a month to be reached by 2018. This is important because the world is growing fast. You know, the traffic has doubled in the last 15 years, and we believe the traffic will continue to double in the next 15 years. So here you can see in base leg the A350 with the landing gear down, going to turn and hopefully present the final for runway 36.
Kyle, you're broken up on it. Say one more time.
So ladies and gentlemen, now in course full, landing gear down, locked. You can see the A350 in final on runway 36.
There goes 35,000.
What is the approach speed right now? It's about 135 knots. We are not at the max landing weight, it's around 135. And as you can see, you can expect a good landing performance even if we have some crosswind. The American flag on top of the Airbus A350 EAA for you, ladies and gentlemen.
He's got a snake around the brakes.
Now it's Airbus years of age.
So big.
Tell you about this fantastic young man. Recently graduated from Louisiana State University.